Hey all, working on a 2009 Subaru Outback here, 5-speed manual. It's coming up with a P0026 intake valve VVT. We're going to replace it here. It seems like this one, it looks like this guy right here. But the one we're having an issue with is the one on bank 1. So cylinder 1, bank 1. Cylinder 2, bank 2. The solenoid we're working on is back here. I don't know if you can see that. Might have to get some light on it, but it's right here. So we got to get that out. It's only a 10mm bolt that's holding it in, and I'll get some light on that and I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing to remove is get the intake hose out of the way, and you can see a little bit better where that sensor is, and should just be a 10mm bolt back here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there should be a 10mm bolt holding that little solenoid in, and that's what we're going to be replacing. So first, go ahead and disconnect the connector. Get that tucked out of the way. And let's get to that 10mm bolt and try to remove it. All right, as you can see, I'm on the bolt, so I'm going to get that removed out of here. See if, there we go. All right, that part just slid right out. I don't see anything wrong with it, but again, looks are deceiving, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. This is a 2009 Subaru Outback 5-speed manual 4-cylinder. This is the part number for that said part. It looks like the new part comes with pre-oiled, but I grabbed some oil off the top of that one, and we're going to throw this in here. Again, it should just slide right into that galley or that hole. Ta-da! All right. Whoop. You probably couldn't see that, but yeah, so it's in there, and now we're just going to bolt it in and connect it back up. All right, so we got the solenoid all reconnected, and now I'm just going to hook the intake back up and clear the codes and see if it comes back. All right, let's go ahead and delete these codes here, see what they are. Intake valve control solenoid circuit is bad. So now that we replaced that, let's go ahead and erase codes. Erase done. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out, see what we got.